Your environment is everything. This is why I have retreats. This is literally the reason why I have retreats. Because when you change your environment carries a frequency. Environ means surrounding in French. Ment means mind. Your surroundings are influencing your mind. So if I change my environment, it makes it just a little bit easier for me to change my frequency, meaning I change my mental and emotional state. Our environment is influencing our frequency, and our frequency is influencing our environment. The two play off of each other. So this is why you have to be aware of your environment, the people that you're around, the conversations that you're having, the things that you're letting in visually, audibly, emotionally, because all of this is a part of your environment. You have your external environment and then your internal environment. And we are constantly listening and responding to both.